Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the failed to connect to server error in Hytale step by step. So if you are getting this type of error, the first thing that you need to do is to simply check your internet connection. This error often appears when your connection is unstable. So here, if you find that your internet connection is not working properly, you can try this particular trick. In it, you just have to click on the Wi-Fi icon on your PC. Now click on this airplane mode once. After that, wait for 30 seconds and then click on this airplane mode again in order to turn it off. So what this is going to do is it is going to improve your internet speed. Now if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can just simply open the settings of your device. In the settings, click on the option of network and internet. Over here, select the option of Wi-Fi if you are using a Wi-Fi. Now you need to turn this toggle button off and then wait for some time and click on this toggle button in order to turn it on. Now click on the globe icon over here in the bottom. Then click on the option of available, and among the given Wi-Fi options over here, you need to select your own Wi-Fi. So this particular step as well going to refresh your internet connection. When you do this, instead of immediately opening your Hytale game on your PC, I want you to click on this start button here on the home page, then click on the option of this power button, then click on the option of restart. Basically, I want you to restart your PC first, and then when you do this, simply open your Hytale game and see if it is working properly or if you are still facing the error. If the issue still persists, I want you to look for any kind of VPNs if you are using. So if you have any of the VPNs installed on your device or any kind of proxies, you just have to disable them before launching the game. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.